students, welcome to SST So Simple tutorial. Today we will read the political outcome of democracy. The most basic outcome of democracy should be that it produces a government that is accountable to its citizens and responsive to the needs and expectations of the citizens. So, what is an accountable government? An accountable government is a government that is answerable to the people, a government that is required to justify its actions or decisions. In a democracy, people elect their representatives who form the government, and if they don't work according to the wishes of the people, people have the right to change them. For example, Indian government is answerable to the parliament. Now, before going into this question, there is another question on the efficiency and effectiveness of the democratic government. In democracy, there are a lot of deliberations and negotiations. Long debates and discussions take place in the legislatures before decisions are taken. Sometimes committees are formed on important issues which take a very long time and causes further delay. So some delay is bound to take place. In contrast, non-democratic rulers do not care about public opinion. There are no debates and discussions, so they are quick in decision making and implementation. But those decisions may not be accepted by the people. A democratic government takes more time to arrive at a decision. It follows procedures, so the acceptability of such decisions are more by the people. Hence, we can say they are more effective. In addition to this, democratic government also ensures transparency in its working. Any citizen who wants to know whether a decision was taken through the correct procedure can find this out. The RTI Act, that is the Right to Information Act, passed by Indian Parliament is one such example. This factor, that is transparency, is missing in non-democratic government. This is one important difference between democratic and non-democratic governments. So, when we try to find out the outcomes of democracy, it is right to expect democracy to produce a government that is not only accountable to the people but also develops a mechanism for citizens to hold the government accountable. So, if you want to examine democracy on this expected outcome, we should see whether it holds regular, free and fair elections, whether it holds open public debates on major public issues, whether it gives citizens right to information about the government and its functioning. Democratic governments do conduct regular elections and set conditions for public debates, but they do not have a good record in sharing information with the citizens. Let us now try to know what is a responsive government. A responsive government is a government which responds positively to the needs and aspirations of the people. It is sensitive to the needs of the people. The government takes decisions, forms policies which are acceptable to the people. So we can reasonably expect a democratic government to be responsive and also that it is free from corruption. But the record of democracy is not very good in both these counts also. Democracies often ignore the demands of the majority of the people and is not free from corruption either. But this does not mean that the non-democratic countries are less corrupt or more sensitive to the needs of people. Let us now discuss a legitimate government. What is a legitimate government? Legitimate means something that is acceptable according to law, something that is allowed by law. In democracy, the rulers are chosen by the people through a process called election. So it is a legitimate government. General Musharraf grabbed power in Pakistan through a coup, so his government was not a legitimate government. On the other hand, Nawaz Sharif won the election and formed the government, so his government was a legitimate government. I hope you have understood this point of legitimacy. That is why it is said The democratic government may be slow, it may be less efficient, it may be less responsive, but it is people's own government. It is the government elected by people. That is why we find that there is a worldwide support for democracy. People wish to be ruled by representatives elected by them. I hope you have understood an accountable, responsive, and legitimate government. You must prepare a good answer for the question that is given at the end of this lesson. How does democracy produce an accountable, responsive, and legitimate government? In the next class, we will read the economic outcomes of democracy. Till then, keep reading and have a nice time. Thank you.